I'm sipping on Bello. What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? Hopefully, everyone is doing good. Let's get started. Alright, it looks very bearish. Honestly, it looks very bearish. But let's see what happens here. I am looking for this low here. Target this low. There she goes again. See what happens. Okay, so my drawn liquidity is this low. I want to see potential price action go lower. We do have a bearish gap here. If we don't create a bullish gap here, I'll look for shorts. I don't want to see this bullish gap get formed here at all. Okay, perfect. So now, if we create, yeah, no, I wouldn't take this. I wouldn't take this, but right now we just wait. We just wait. We have five my funded futures, one top step express, and 2 fundeds. So let's see what happens here. Just to update. Are you using Quantile to copy trade? I am not using Quantile. I'm using Project X to copy trade 2 my fundeds, Tradeovate to copy 5 evals, and then just Top Step X to just trade. We're definitely coming to this low for sure, though. There's no way we don't. There's no way we don't come down to this low. Can we copy trade Project X before Alpha Futures 2? Yes, yes you can. I'm copy trading right now. Yeah, no, but trade Copia and trade sync cost money, so I'm like, okay, no, I'll just do this for right now. How do you do that? So basically, you go to your settings over here to your left, and then you go to copy trading, and then you click on you. So you have to select the leader account. So like, let's say, I want my let me get rid of this. So I want my 50K to be my leader, right? So 628. You click on 628, and then you click on, and then this is the other account that I have, right? So you click on follow, click save changes, and then trade copier, and then you should be good. And now, for it to see it work, it should say L as your leader and the F as your follower. So you have 10 plus evals, but won't buy copy trading platform. Not yet, not yet. Like, not yet though, not yet, not yet. I will soon. If I get, I'm only doing that when I have fundeds. When I have like all fundeds, I'll do it. But if I have evals, like it's just like not. It's just whatever. Let's see what happens. I want to see shorts. When the back testing, bro. Dude, I backtest on my own every day. To be honest with you, I want to see shorts. Overly bearish. But I'll look for confirmation. If we start to break above highs, then I will start to look for longs. But right now I'm bearish. If we start to break above these highs, then I'll look for short. Then I'll look for longs. But right now I am bearish because what is the most recent thing we done? We broke below the slow, right? Close below, etc. So I want to see shorts play out. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? How much in payouts this year? $0, unfortunately. Corridor, yeah, no. Guys. Guys, guess what I bought yesterday? I ended up buying the iPhone 17 Pro Max. 17 Pro Max. Honestly, I was like, fuck it. I'm getting it. I haven't used it yet. I'm waiting for like my screen cover. I'm waiting for like all of my stuff to come in, like the case and like the screen protector before I use it. I think I spent like $1,000 or like 1.1. see what happens here. We have SMT at these highs. With your DoorDash money, perhaps. I guess you can say that. No comment. Let's see what happens here. Okay, right now I don't want to see. Right now I want to see a bearish fair value gap or a discorrelation SMT on the one. Right now I am bearish, but I'll switch only if we start to break above these highs. I'm sorry, don't leave me. Let's see what happens here. See what happens. So as you can see, this high here, or this candle right here, is a high on ES. It's a high on ES, but on NQ, it is not a high. So right now we just see if we can get some sort of discorrelation, right? I want to see if either NQ or ES sweeps it, and then SMT'd. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. Alright, so ES just swept out this high, right? So we have SMT here, a discorrelation. So now I want to see if we can get some sort of a bearish fair value gap on the lower time frame. So we have SMT the highs on the higher time frame. Lower time frame is also SMT. If we can get confirmation here, then I'll take it, right? So right now we just wait. That's just if we get confirmation though. And if we don't, then we just don't take it. Okay, so now we just took out this high. So now the confirmation is not there, or no, the confirmation wasn't there. We just wait. Okay, so right here, same thing, right? SMT at the highs, discorrelation on NQ is not a high, but on ES it is. So right now, we'll see how this plays out. Show up your calendar, bro. It looks terrible. I'm not gonna lie. Now we just wait. We almost had a gap, I'm not gonna lie. Now suddenly you're asking for it back. Alright, now we just wait. We just wait here. So it looks like we're coming up to these highs. Like I said, if we start to break above these highs, I'll look for longs. Right now, I am bearish. So come up, take out this level of buy side. If like the lower time frames start to break above this high, then I'll look for obviously confirmation to go higher. If we break above this high, we're probably gonna go up to these highs. This will probably switch into a market maker buy. Can you be my friend? Ten. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I keep doing that on accident. Wait, what am I doing? Wait, what am I doing? What's up? What's up? It's an accident. Let's see. If we start to break above this high, don't you worry. I know I might start to switch longs. You're correct. I'm more than likely going to switch to longs, but just so you guys see it, the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, bro. Just a flex real quick. I already set it up and everything, but I just didn't want to mess up the screen, bro. If we do go higher, bro, we're probably going to go up to these highs. We're probably gonna come up to these highs, bro. I'm not worried. We have like a long way of TPs. If for you, girl, I swear I'll do the worst. I told you to buy dumpling, bro. If someone tells you to fucking short the market, are you gonna short the market, bro? Let's be real. No, bro. I'm not gonna trust some fucking person, bro. I'm gonna lock in. Like, lock in, bro. Let's see. Wait for confirmation to see if we break above. Everything I knew. We're storaging it. I only got like a 256 because like I was like, bro, it's like 1,500 bucks. It's like 1,600 bucks to get the one, like to get the 512. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna have two phones on me at all times, anyways. I'll just have like, I was like, fuck that, bro. It's like a cent to get like another like I don't even know, bro. I had like buyer's remorse, bro. Or not buyer's remorse. I had like I just wanted to have it. So trade of it looks okay. Dude, yesterday I took a long yesterday, but then I forgot. Oh yeah, on my Top Step Express, I ended up making 500 bucks or not 500, 300 bucks. I ended up making money on my Top Step Express account, but then like on my combines, I forgot to switch it over to InQ and I was on ES instead. I was on ES instead of InQ, and then like I only made like 300 bucks. But I was like, bro, it was so bad, bro. I was so pissed. I forgot to switch it over. What was your last device? It was a iPhone 14 Pro Max. But then I was like, no, I'm just gonna upgrade to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And then when the iPhone 18 comes out, then I'll just trade it in, etc. All this shit. All right, I'm gonna start to look for longs here. We have a gap here. Because it looks like we're gonna close above this high anyways in the next 2 minutes. The chances of it closing below this black line in the next 2 minutes is very rare. So we'll see what happens here. Yo, cool. Can I set copy trading on Project X on my PC and just trade on my phone? And yes, it will work. Yes, if you set it up, you should be good. Like this gap here doesn't look bad. Nope, never mind. We never take. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait the next 2 minutes, bro. I can wait the next 2 fucking minutes. I'll be fine. But this long looks good. Looks really good. Well, not right now. Actually, there's no gap or anything. There's no fair value gap. What target for longs? Right now, my target is looking to be these highs. On here, ES is a high. I'm looking to target these highs up here. We're trying to break above. Cool. When's the next end live stream, bro? I don't think I'm ever doing those again, bro. It's a lot of work and it's very stressful. Cause like I'm such a boring dude. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I knew this area was gonna be good. I just don't like it because there's no gap. Right now, I would just wait here though. I do the same. It's been difficult for me to trust. Okay, so right now, I'm just looking for a fair value gap. I'm looking for a fair value gap where price can potentially hold to target these highs, obviously. So right now I am bullish since we broke above. So I'm looking for higher prices right now as we speak. So let's see if we can get some sort of confirmation to go higher or some sort of pullback. What about the backpack? I returned it. I got a refund and everything. Let's see if we can come back down to this fair value gap or something. Fair value gap or liquidity sweep, etc. Hold on, let me see something. Why you like this 1 second chart? Why don't you try 15-minute wait for a minute setup for entry? Dude, it's like the same thing for what I do right now. Like, I find a draw liquidity, right? And then I'm on the 1 minute, right? I'm not going to enter off the 1 minute. It's a 1 minute, and then I drop down to the lower time frame. So imagine the 1 minute is your 15-minute, right? So 1 minute, and then I drop down to the 15-second to see confirmation for a setup. Does that make sense? I'm doing the same thing that what you're saying, just on the lower time frame. It was a mistake I made when I first got my payout a while back. I didn't create a bigger enough buffer. Yeah, that's what people tend to do. But on alpha futures, your buffer, you don't need a buffer, bro. Your maximum loss limit stays the same. But you just have to have a 40% consistency is all for a payout. Like your maximum loss limit stays the same. It doesn't go up. It doesn't go to 0 like Top Steps. All right, let's see. All right, if we can create a 15-second gap here, I'll take it. On ES, it looks like there's gonna be a gap. That's the thing. I don't want to FOMO in. I would just wait here. I can't take a stab on ES, bro. I really can't. I really fucking can't. If we can create a gap here, it'd be good. I mean, it looks good. I don't know. This setup might be cooked, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This setup might be cooked. ES definitely looks a lot better. I'd rather just wait. Yeah, we're about to create SMT at the highs anyways, so yeah, I would just wait here. more you go micro, you find more setups, and you're not profitable. You should keep it low, 15 minutes something. What do you think? Yeah, I think it's like you have like yes, there are a lot more setups. That's why you want to like limit yourself to like high probability, obviously, right? Um, there's more setups, but that's why you have to have a filter of like when to take it and when not to take it, if that makes sense. So right now we're coming down, obviously, right? We're disrespecting this bullish for buy gap. So right now, since like just like looking at it right now, looks like we're wicking it. Let's see if we get something here. This, I want to see this area hold here, this rejection block here hold at most. But if not, we're chilling. I'm not confident. I'm just not confident in this all. Yeah, no, I fixed it. That's on me. Nice little rejection block. I'm only 21, man. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My starting with Lexi. Let's see what happens here. Like, I want to take high probability setups right now. Okay, so this is decent looking. See, look, exactly. That's fine. Chilling. Immediately Drake candle out of fucking nowhere. This is good. So now we have SMT these lows, right? If we can create a gap here, I'll take it. Because on NQ, this is not a low. Well, on ES it is. Let's see if we can get filled at this gap here.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh.
Order filled.
Okay. It's like this did not hold. Okay. Fortunate. Let's just wait. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's wait. Actually, let's wait, bro. Okay, it looks like we might retrace lower. So hold up. That was not. That was honestly. Honestly, I like that trade. Right, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. Watch, I swear, if we go high from here, I'm actually gonna crash. Because, like, obviously, just looking at it, like, we had a very fast candle on this candle anyway, so I thought this was, like, a manipulation candle, whatever, etc. But right now, I'll just wait. Alright, so if we take out this low here, and plus we have no bearish gaps going down anyway, so that's also a good thing to see that price is very balanced as we're coming down, right? So if we end up taking out this low in ES, if either INQ or ES, let's see. Actually, I'll tell you guys after if we do it or not. Okay, I wouldn't take this right now. I just wait. Inverse Q tau 100%, bro. Kick it, bro. Mute, bro. Mute. Get muted, bro. The thing is, like, I'm not mad about it because, like, we had no bearish gaps here. We had SMT discorrelation instead of a gap, etc. Like, we have a gap here. Right now, I'm just waiting. I just took this loss this long here. Took a small loss. I'll wait here. Bro, see? Oh my goodness, man. I just got manipulated so hard. You know, I know which setups were high. This setup was high probability. I would not have taken anything here. I would have not have taken anything here. You know, I wouldn't have taken anything here at all. This was a high probability setup for me, because look, this correlation, fair value gap, stops at this low. Oh my goodness. All right, if we can create a bullish gap here, I'll look to see an entry inside this gap. Oh my goodness. Fuck, I'm like allergies, bro. Like, see, like, bro, I knew longs here were going to in this area, in this general area, bro. Come on, Q, lock in, bro. Let's see if we come back to this gap first before going up. If we come back to this gap before going up, I'll take it. But alright, we have a gap here. If we can create a 15-second gap here, I'll take it. Target would be like this high at first. Literally any 15-second gap. Everyone else in the room can see it. Right now, I would wait. We have SMT here. It is not good in my eyes. ES is definitely more bullish right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm down about $236 on the XFA on Top Step. So right now, like, see it. That's why I didn't want to take this. Like, I did, but I think that we created a gap here, right? But at the same time, we had SMT here, which I did not like. This correlation. Like nobody else, the way you flip your hair gets me. So you can tell this low. This will look really good. We have a sweep here on NQ. It is not a on NQ. It's a low, but on ES it is not a low. So if we can get a gap here, a 15-second gap here, I would take this. Nobody else, the way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. I don't calculate. I do calculate risk, but I know how much I'm risking most of the time. It's usually like less than $200 per trade, or around that. Or around that. Oh my. Like I knew longs were here to move, bro. Beautiful. Wait for a Fibonacci retracement back down to this area. I'll have a limit here. Where's the 0.62 just in case? I'll have it at one of the OTE levels. 857, 57. I want to see price come back down to this 0.62 level first. See if we get filled. I swear, if we don't get filled here. Okay.
Order filled.
Look at that bottom tick this shit, bro. My target is this one of my first target is this high up here. I want to see this high get taken out. Bro, I got a terrible fill on my fucking my funded futures, bro. Terrible fill. We should come up to this high. But I'm also looking at ES too if we take out this high or not.
Order filled.
Should be chilling here. Alright, so if we end up taking out this high, because on NQ or on ES it is a high, but on ES it is a high, but on NQ it is not. So this is not looking good. Like I said, if NQ or ES takes out this high, I'm gonna trail. I might just end up trailing because this is like not ideal. Yeah, it's not ideal. I'm gonna trail here. Yep. So it's fine. So I was not like, if you look here, this is not a high, right? Obviously, but on ES it is a high. So that's why I took it off. Wow. That was pretty fucking bad. But dude, I don't know why my TradeAveo accounts are not copy trading, bro. Wait, maybe they are. Maybe I'm just tripping. Okay, wait, they are. It said it was up $3,000. Wait, that's $3,000 divided by 5, huh? Oh, it's $3,000 divided by 5. Okay, I see. Yeah, no, we definitely are going higher. But hey guys, at least I'm back positive on my Express account. Back positive on my Express account. Back positive. I'm positive on all accounts on my fundeds except for my 100K. Bro, no way, man. Like like okay, this was a good trade overall. I am not trading the Trade 5 Cup. This was a good trade overall. I just didn't hold because we had SMT these highs, and that's what I'm gonna start trailing my stops, and like if we start to do stuff that I don't like to see, then I'm gonna just exit. But like we have the 0.62 level here. Bottom take this. Bottom take this. Obviously, G move. The reason why I was confident in taking this area was because SMT divergence, right? And like, if we start to do this, so like, this is how I'm going to start trailing, by the way. If we do this, right? If in Q, is a high here, but ES, it is not a high. So the same candle, if this is not a high, like on in Q, and we create SMT like this, I'm exiting. I'm trailing. I'm trailing up to either this candle's low or this candle's low. I'm trailing because that's what I've noticed so far when I've been like trading. Is like I don't care about these these SMTs here. That's why even though we had SMT at these like highs and shit, I was still confident that we're gonna take out like some sort of high or this high, right? That's why this was like a very high, like I was expecting this high, obviously, because if you look here on NQ, it's a high, right? But if you go on ES, same candle, this is not a high, right? So this would have been high probability to target, right? Because we had obviously SMT at the lower prices and etc. But I know I'm just talking yapping because I made money, but the whole point is like that's just what I'm looking for. But I'm gonna try to pass these TradeAveo accounts, bro. I thought I was up $3,000 on each account, but it turns out I was only up like $600 on each account. That's where I messed up. Because like the price was very volatile, so it's like, oh, okay. But I'm probably gonna dip here, just get off. Hopefully tomorrow we can do better. I'm back positive on my TossStep X account, thank goodness. If a setup shows, I'll end up taking it, but right now positive on the day. Was down about $100 earlier, but we're chilling. We're back. Like honestly, like right here we could have an SMT here. If NQ does not, if ES is okay, never mind. So ES took out the slope, right? That's what we want for confirmation. Let's see. We need to see one that hasn't been like mitigated. But also, if we wick here, like we sweep and we wick and create SMT on the 50-second time chart, this is really high probability. like I didn't blow my any. I just blew 4 top step comp bots because honestly, I was just being dumb. I'll be completely honest. uh Alright, but I'm gonna get off, guys. I'm gonna get ready for the gym and kind of just like relax because I'm kind of sick. So I'm gonna end the stream here. Vlogs will come back whenever I get my first payout. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna dip, and I will see you guys all tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for watching.